Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy base meme coins. So in order to buy base meme coins, we are going to use Sigma bot. Now in order to get access to Sigma bot, you can click on the link that I have given you in the description and then you will be redirected on this page. Now if you haven't already created your account on Sigma, or if you haven't already heard about Sigma, then what you can do is you can simply go through the video that I have created on Sigma, and you can get used to this tool and you can create your wallet on it, and after that you can start your buying process. Now once you are on this Sigma bot, you will have to click on this message bar in the bottom, and then you will have to press backslash, and then you will have to type star, or you are going to see this start button in the top, so you will have to click on start in order to get access of the main menu. Now over here you are going to see a bunch of different options, but among these you will have to click on the option of auto sniper. Once done, it will ask you to paste the token address below to start buying. So we need to get the token address. For that, you just have to open your web browser, and in the search bar you can first type coinmarketcap.com, and here you are going to see this meme category section. So you will have to click on memes, and here you are going to see a bunch of different meme coins that are currently trending, and among these coins you just have to select any of the meme coins that you want to purchase on base. For example, you can buy Brett, or you can even buy Toshi coin. So let's say you want to purchase Brett coin, so you will have to click on Brett, and then you will be redirected on its overview page. Now over here in the left hand section you are going to see bunch of different information relating to Brett, but you just have to scroll down and you will have to just copy the contract address of it from here, and then you need to go to Telegram and paste the address and then press enter. Once done, it will show you this type of section in front of you, where you will be able to see that it is the Brett coin which is based on the base chain, and it will give you a bunch of different information relating to Brett coin, like its pool info and the token information. So over here, in order to purchase coins on Sigma bot, you need to have Ethereum. So you need to make sure that you deposit enough Ethereum in your account. After that, you just have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase the Brett coin. You can use any of the tabs that is already presented over here, but if you want to add your own amount, then you will have to click on buy option, and after that you will have to enter your own amount. Now after entering the amount, you just have to press the enter button. After pressing enter, you will be able to successfully purchase Brett coin on base chain within no time. Let's say you want to purchase any other coin from Dex Screener. So you will have to open your web browser again, and then you will have to type dexscreener.com, and then you will be landed on Dex Screener. Now over here in the left hand section, you are going to see various chains. So you will have to select base. After that, in the top, you can either select it as all DEXs, or you can even just select the base swap in order to get more coins that are based on base. So over here you just have to select any of the coins that you want to get. Let's say I want to get mochi, so I'll simply click on it, and here you are going to see this little copy icon. So you will have to click on this copy button, and then it will show you that the address is copied to the clipboard. Then you again have to come to your Sigma bot, and after that you need to press the start button again in order to get the main menu. Then you will have to click on auto snipe option, and after that you just have to paste the address and then press enter. Then it will show you that this coin is mochi, and it will show you some other information. So in order to purchase it, you will have to click on the buy button, but before that you can select the gas fees, or you can even select the wallet that you are using. If you want to add slippage into your order, then you will have to click on slip option, and after that you will have to provide your slippage percentage. If you want to add a limit order on top of it, then you can click on the limit order, and then you can set your limit order as well. So after entering the address of the base meme coin, you just have to click on the buy button or enter the amount that you want to spend in order to buy the coin that you have selected, and it will purchase the coin for you. So this is how you can easily buy meme coins on base using Sigma bot. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.